Good day. Thank you for calling Bitic Fine Dining Restaurant. This is Maron Sandigan. How may I assist you today?
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation, please.
Certainly. May I have your name, please?
My name is Sanrex B. Santos.
Thank you, Mr. Sandrex. Could you please give me the details for your reservation? The date, time, number of guests, and any special requests?
Yes, it will be on September 12 at 7 p.m. For 8 guests with like a non-smoking area.
Got it. Let me confirm. A reservation on September 12 at 7 p.m. for 8 guests in a non-smoking area. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Your contact number for confirmation.
Sure, it's 09533 2766.
For that, please allow me a moment to confirm your booking. Mr. Sandrick Santos, your reservation at Bitic Fine Dine-In Restaurant is confirmed for September 12 at 7 p.m. for 8 guests in a non-smoking area. Your contact number is 0953-399-2766. Did I get everything right?
Yes, that's correct.
Wonderful. Thank you for choosing Bitic Fine Dine-In Restaurant. We look forward to serving you. Have a great day.
Ayun na.